Warning. A fire has been reported in the building. Leave the building immediately. Do not use elevators. Do not bring personal belongings. Leave the building immediately.
Hello, this is an update to my garage fire alarm. If you've watched my first garage fire alarm video, you will have noticed that I've now got trunking, and the detector also now gets linked to a manual cool point, as I said I might do. I have not got a control panel yet because it was a more expensive option, and there's trunking all the way throughout the system now, right down to the DC adapter. Now I'm going to zoom in into the manual cool point. So have a better look at it. Now I'm going to test the manual cool point. Here goes. I'm going to make this as quick as possible to avoid disturbance. Now here goes. Now that has now been reset. I'm now going to test it via the test key. And that's the end of my manual cool point test.